sharpness in front of the goal.
Kenya tuangalie kama wako na sharpness in front of the goal. Na leto ile Patience Asiko anamwambia Mildred Cheche, hujafanya makosa kuniweka kwenye kikosi cha kwanza. Na Kinto anaitaka Charity, goalkeeper na unyaka alafu anatulia nao. Fendo anaingia. Nabu Kenya anachelewa kufika huko. Lusola Boke, Joy Angela Valencia, Joy Angela kwake Brenda. Joy Angela Valencia. Cousins. Brenda Chengwa kwanza, Brenda Chengwa pili, Brenda Achie! Brenda Chengwa kwanza, Brenda Chengwa pili, Brenda Achie!
As I'm standing there, my mind is telling me that the Kenyan team has more maturity. They've got the experience. They've gone to the World Cup. They played against DPR Korea. They played Mexico. They played England. And even though they were out in the first group, but they had that experience behind them. So the players that the Kenyan team has, the 8 players, they were brought into this competition. If I was the coach, I was going to do the same thing, isn't it? You bring your strongest players, World Cup players here. So we were up against a team that's gone to the World Cup. Players had that experience. But my commitment and my goal will always be that when I'm done, Ugandan football will get a chance. There's an under-17 World Cup every year. We will get to the World Cup. But what we need now is for processing to take place. Players to get used to the idea of how we want to play football.
Mechi zimekuwa ngumu kuanzia we na kupata pointi 3 haikuwa rahisi. But zile pointi 3 tuliweza kupata we ikatupatia motisha sana. Na leo ikatuwezesha kuweza kupata alama zingine 3. Of course when we played our away match, there were some gaps and we had to fill them in training. And also we had our best players who were not able to compete physically, but once we got someone like Asiko who could hold the ball for the rest to join in, and then it made the team comfortable in attack, and then we got our first goal immediately. And then now bringing in Brenda as a game changer, I think it summed up everything. She's a really good player and she's able to read the game well. She plays under a lot of pressure, so I wanted to remove the pressure from her so that she's comfortable when she's coming in. So that's why I brought her in the second half, where she's comfortable, she's not under any pressure. And that's why she was able to express herself even more. Cameroon ni wa physical, ni wakubwa, but we take it one game at a time. Tuko na kazi kubwa ya kufanya. Lazima pia to beef up squad, lazima to work on our physical sana. Ni job kubwa, but I believe mademu wetu wanaweza. Yeah.
Game imekuwa poa. Tuko happy because tumepata ushindi tena, na kwa kampu pia tumekuwa motivated vizuri. Coach amekuwa akinitu encourage, technical bench imekuwa kituambia tunaweza make it, na pia sisi tulijua kweli kama away tulipata win, home ni possible because tuko na fans, tuko home, na tulijua itakuwa easy. So I'm also happy because tuko ready next to face Cameroon. First tumekuwa tukiwatch hizo games za Cameroon wakicheza na Ethiopia. So pia sisi tunaanza kujiprepare mentally, psychologically. So tunajua pia Cameroon ni wakubwa na sisi hatutaangalia ukubwa wao. Sisi football ni akili, so si ukubwa. So pia sisi tunaenda kuwa prepared more, na tunajua coach atakuwa hapo kutusupport, atatupea kila kitu. Juu pia anafuatilia hiyo game, ata-analyze kila kitu na atatupea kila kitu tunahitaji. And you are ready to go to face them.